about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see.
So if anybody has been following our vlogs, obviously we talked about the possibility of air conditioning. Now obviously air conditioning units, when you have them fitted, they're static to your caravan, motorhome or whatever. However, the product that we were mentioning was one of these, the Total Cool. So the Total Cool, it is a movable, portable device that you can put in your car, your caravan, your motorhome, or even your awning if you sat out entertaining friends. So it is something that we're genuinely looking at. With the addition of being able to put in scented water into the front of it, which obviously evaporates into the air, and the problems that we had when we had the mosquitoes, so for this we could add citronella oil and it would disperse hopefully. So this is something that we are genuinely looking at and considering for going into next year. Obviously it's very hot here today, it's still very hot, but we're coming to the end of the summer really, if we can really call it a summer. So it's something that we'll be looking at, and if we're going to come back out to Europe next year, then obviously definitely something that we'll look at. But Total Cool, it is something that is worth having a look at. See what you think, and we'll show you exactly what they've got and the products that they've got available here at Dusseldorf at the Caravan Salon. And here it is, this is the product itself. So as you can see, just literally how big it is, fits in your hands, fairly light, mains powered, but also the ends are interchangeable, so you can put it off a 12-volt draw. So Transcool, this one's got the albas oil, and this one's actually being run from a battery pack. So it just goes to show you the 12-volt and how it works. Sticking it into your car or even into the sockets that you might have in your motorhome or caravan, camper van. It comes obviously with the filter, and this, I believe, is where you add the water. So when I was talking about the scents, there are different scents, obviously the albas oil, there's also the citronella oil, things like that which we would look at, and you can see how it's working. So lovely and cool, good idea, portable, something that we'll definitely be looking at. So let's have a look at some of the weights and measures that are actually on this device. So here you can see we've got all the dimensions that we all need. The important ones I think will be it's a 2 kilogram dry weight, 2-year warranty, 2 kilograms when it's dry, obviously not with the water in, and the sizes that are quite important: height 210, width 240 and depth 250. So obviously it says there citronella, tea tree, lavender and everything else. Low speed, 0.3 of an amp, 4 watts per hour. Medium, high speed and boost. So depending on what your needs are, you'll have it covered. So there you go. It's just another little idea that may well be worth considering. And like we said, as we were considering, as we've been on our European tour, this is something definitely that we'll look at in the future. So hopefully it's something that you can check out. So I hope you enjoyed that. Just a little quick insight into what we've got and the stand that we've got here. So thanks very much.